Our dollar bill, fresh off the printing press, finds itself tucked away in a savings account. It's a safe haven, protected from loss and theft. The bank promises to keep it secure, adding a tiny bit of interest each month. This small growth is like a drop in a bucket. It barely keeps up with the rising prices of goods and services, known as inflation. Our dollar is safe, but it's not exactly thriving. The dollar yearns for more. It wants to multiply, to grow exponentially. It wants to be a part of something bigger, something that generates real wealth. Stay tuned as our dollar embarks on a journey into the exciting world of investments. Our dollar realizes that true growth lies beyond the confines of a savings account. It needs to be put to work, to take some risks and reap the rewards. This is where the exciting world of investments comes in. Investing is all about putting your money into assets that have the potential to increase in value over time. There are many different avenues for investment, each with its own risks and potential rewards. Let's explore a few popular options: the stock market, bonds, and real estate. Fasten your seatbelts, folks. Our dollar is about to embark on a thrilling investment adventure. Our dollar first dives into the stock market, a bustling marketplace where companies offer pieces of ownership, called stocks, in exchange for capital. The stock market is known for its volatility, with prices fluctuating rapidly. It's a roller coaster ride, with exhilarating highs and stomach-churning lows. Our dollar experiences the thrill of a bull market, where prices surge upward, and the anxiety of a bear market, where prices plummet. Despite the risks, the stock market offers the potential for significant growth. By investing in companies with strong track records and promising futures, our dollar could multiply significantly over time. But remember, investing in stocks is not for the faint of heart. It requires careful research, a long-term perspective, and a healthy appetite for risk. Section 4: Bonds, a steady climb. Next, our dollar explores the world of bonds. Bonds are like loans that investors make to governments or corporations. In return, the borrower promises to pay back the principal amount plus regular interest payments. Bonds are generally considered less risky than stocks. They offer a steady stream of income and are less volatile. However, their potential for growth is also lower. Think of bonds as the tortoise in the race against the hare of the stock market. They may not offer the same adrenaline rush, but they provide a sense of stability and predictability. Section 5: Real estate, building a solid foundation. Our dollar then ventures into the world of real estate. It witnesses the construction of buildings, the development of land, and the tangible growth that comes with owning a physical asset. Real estate investment can offer both income and appreciation. Rental properties can generate a steady cash flow, while property values tend to increase over time. However, real estate also requires significant capital investment and comes with its own set of risks, such as market fluctuations and property maintenance. Despite the challenges, our dollar recognizes the appeal of investing in something tangible, something you can see and touch. Section 6: Diversification and compound growth, keys to long-term success. Throughout its journey, our dollar learns two crucial lessons about successful investing: diversification and compound growth. Diversification means spreading investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This strategy helps mitigate risk by ensuring that even if one investment performs poorly, others can cushion the blow. Compound growth is the snowball effect of earning interest on interest. As your investments grow, the returns they generate are reinvested, creating exponential growth over time. Our dollar, now a seasoned investor, understands that patience and discipline are key. By staying invested for the long haul and harnessing the power of compound growth, even small amounts can grow into significant wealth over time. So, what are you waiting for? Start your own investment journey today.